Alright, so in this video, I'm going to show you when we should use our sine rule. Okay, so for this type 1 question, we are given two angles and one side. So two angles are known and one length is being known. Alright, so of course, if you look at our angle B and our angle C is known, and our side C is also known. So what are we required to find in this particular case? Definitely, we are required to find our side B. Okay, so if you still remember our sine rule, we should use A over sine A equal to B over sine B equal to C over sine C. So since I only have angle B and angle C and side C, right, and I want to find our side B, we should use this B. Okay, so B over sine B is equal to C over sine angle C. So this C is 10 centimeter. Angle C is 45 degree. Alright, so of course my angle B is 30 degree, and you just manipulate to get your side B. So this is when we should use our sine rule. Okay, so there's another type of question that we also must apply our sine rule, which is this. Okay, so this is our type 2 sine rule question. So we are given two sides and one angle. So this is similar to our type 2 cosine rule, right? So cosine rule, what is the difference between this and this type 2 question? For cosine rule, remember, we are also given two length, but these two length, we are given like something like this. So 15 and 10 here, and the angle given is in between, stuck in between these two known lengths. So let's just say this is 30 degree. Okay, so this is the time we use cosine rule. Okay, cosine rule. But for this particular type 2 sine rule question, you can see that my angle is not between any two lengths. So our known length is this, right? Our 10 and 20. But the angle is somewhere here. So it's not between these two known lengths. So this is when I must use my sine rule. Okay, so of course, they will ask us to find what is our angle A right here. Okay, so we must apply our sine rule. So 10 B over sine B, right, is equal to A over sine A. Yeah, so since we know what is our B is 10 centimeter, our angle B is 30 degree, our side A is about 20 centimeter, so we can find our angle A. Alright, so for this, just take note, this angle, use sine rule. Okay, the angle must not be stuck between the two known length. Okay, so yeah, just take note of that. For cosine rule, the angle for the so-called the right hand side of the screen, cosine rule, the angle must be stuck between two known length. Alright, yeah, so this is the difference between sine and cosine rule.